G'day guys, Tame from Harcourts in Pakenham and welcome to 210 Moore Road in Narnagoon North. This is a 5-acre property, absolutely stunning home, heaps of shedding. Can't wait to show you guys, so just sit back, relax and enjoy the tour. This amazing kitchen with timber island bench top, 900mm appliances and perfect for entertaining with family and friends, leading through to your formal dining area, which is perfect for entertaining with family and friends. Then after dinner, retreat in this amazing formal lounge area with wood fire heating. If you have any questions about the property or you'd like to inspect, please don't hesitate to contact me on 0401 339 338. Thanks so much and have a brilliant day.